While millions of students are bracing for the return of their student loan repayments, retailers are bracing for impact as well. When 45 million Americans start repaying their loans, the hit to the economy is expected to be far worse than when COVID benefits ran out.
As the country waits for a momentous Supreme Court decision on student loan forgiveness, several borrowers are already bracing for hits to their budget. In a few months, millions could be making payments for the first time in 3 years.
Inflation has caused us to be in a situation where paying back a loan 3 years ago, 4 years ago, like I was doing, is a lot more difficult for me these days.
Ending the COVID pandemic pause on payments was a stipulation in the bipartisan debt ceiling deal. It could have a ripple effect on the economy as younger adults curb spending. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau warns as many as 1 in 5 borrowers are on shaky financial ground, and that could make repayment harder.
There's data that show that 10 to 12 years after having graduated from college, the average African-American woman owes more on her student loan debt than she did when she first graduated.
But opponents argue the payment pause is hurting everyone else's wallets.
Because payments that would otherwise have gone to student loans are instead being pushed into the economy. They're increasing consumer spending, and consumer spending is one of the major factors contributing to inflation right now.
And several Republicans say the president doesn't have the power to unilaterally cancel student loans without congressional approval.
This is not about student loans. This is about what does the United States Constitution say?
That was Madeline Rivera reporting. Student loan interest will resume September 1st and payments will be due beginning in October.